Hello everyone, it is Rainier here. We're back with another Pokemon Glazed Nuzlocke. If you guys missed the last episode, we got our third gym badge, resolved the problems with the dam, and now we're gonna move on to try to get our fourth gym badge, which means we have to move on over here. But I think before we do that, I forgot to do this the last episode because it's been so long. We'll do a quick team recap. So first up, we got Amada the Manectric. Pretty cool Pokemon. Next up, we got Jackie the Lucario. Then we got Jacko the Mischievous. Then we got Penny the Arcanine. And then last but not least, our newest member, we got Zuzu the Zubat. If you guys are excited for today's episode, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below. And make sure you hit that subscribe button if you guys want more, because surely we will be getting another encounter today. But now we have to make our way to Stormy, what's it called? And I think Stormy is down here. Yeah, Stormy is right here. That's our next location. Stormy City. But before we do that, let's get a quick encounter, shall we? And we get Joltik. That's a pretty cool Pokemon. My problem is I think we kill it no matter what on accident. We're a little bit high. We're gonna try to throw a great ball at it real quick. And I'm afraid that we catch it in the first one. If not, then we're gonna... Because I don't want to swap to Zuzu, of course. I mean, I guess we can... It's just so risky for me to do this. We'll try. Okay, we missed. Because we're like 11 levels up. Like, no matter what we look at this way, actually, Jacko might be able to just not kill it. I don't know. This seems... This seems a little, Okay. We found a way. We found our way. We astonish it twice, and then we catch it. Yeah, we definitely catch it now. And then we have to go back and heal because we don't have any. We don't buy any status stuff, which is on me. I don't know what to talk about, guys. I'm gonna be honest here. Every time we do these kind of stuff, it's just I just don't know what to talk about. It would end up off topic of Pokemon and just into anime gotchas. I don't know what we named Joltik. It kind of sucks that we have another electric type on our team. But we'll name it Rhea. Rhea the Joltik. Or, Rena the Joltik. Kinda sucks that we got another electric type. Like, of all the Pokemon in there, you would think that there would be a Pokemon that, I don't know, maybe, just maybe be a water type Pokemon. It's, something that we can kind of use on our team. But nope, it's not, and that's fine. It is whatever, I guess. But yeah, I would end up talking about Pokemon, like for instance, we can talk about like the new series, new seasons of anime. It's been going on for about 5 months now. The one thing that we... Ooh, actually... I think we swap into Jacko for this. It's like Hero to be Hero X, really good anime. I recommend anybody to go watch that. It's made by Bilibili and other animation studios, but it's super good. It I don't want to like talk too much about it because there's a lot of like you just have to watch it to understand it type stuff. Ooh, and we got the confusion off. Okay, that's good. I don't think Kog'Dor has anything that could actually affect Jacko at this level, so I think we're pretty good. But yeah, it's a pretty good one. To Love or Kalu Generic Romance is another good one. And that's like another one you have to watch to understand. Oh. I was so wrong. I was more wrong than ever. I think it didn't have anything to affect Jacko. I was so wrong. What boy on the bridge? I just crossed that bridge. You tell me there's another bridge with a person that's strong? Okay, so it looks like we might have to go back and heal up. I do think we swapped to Jackie. I expected, grass types from this person, but I guess not. And then there's Fire Force Season 3. If you haven't watched Fire Force, it's a pretty good anime so far. It does lead into something like crazy later on. So I would recommend that. And then there's Black Butler. Black Butler has I think it's its 4th season or something like that. Pretty good. Even though technically it ends with Season 2, but like I think Season 3 and 4 are like after the fact of Season 2, or no, before Season 2. Or something like that, I don't know. It's confusing. It's just, sometimes, it's confusing. So, once I see the next bridge, which is right there, he said somebody was strong on it. I'm gonna go back and heal. Actually, I don't even need to go back here. What am I talking about? We got healing stuff, right? Right? Yeah, we do. I don't think Lucario or by Jackie. I don't know why I keep on calling them by their Pokemon, by their Pokemon name and not their actual name. Oh. Prepare to face my wrath. I thought that we would be in deep doo-doo, but I guess not. Yes, it's a Viper. That's pretty cool. I do think a swap is necessary to not get poisoned. X attack. Interesting, okay. I don't know what poison. It should some poison type moves. Like something. I don't know. So we will have to teach a Pokemon Rock Smash, and I really did not want this to come to fruition. But we have to. We'll give it to Penny. Like, as much as I don't want to give it to Penny, we have to give it to Penny. We'll get rid of Agility. I don't use status moves. Or not status moves, but like boost moves, I guess. I guess that's what it would be called. I really didn't want to give it to Jackie. Like, I saw that it was like, Jackie can learn it. No, I can't. I can't do that to my bored Jackie. We already got an encounter in here, so we don't need to. We can't get another encounter in here. What we can do is just Thunderbolt this, and then get back a little bit more EXP. Actually, she's like on par with Jack. Oh, we did not get. I was gonna say she's on par with Jackie. That's not the case because we did not get any XP for that. Yeah, I've been, you know, in the slumps. Now that we're thinking about it, ooh, rare candy. We've been in the slumps lately, and oh, there's a rock slide in this bitch. Okay. You! Haha! Now I can finally have my revenge! I'll just shake these and be on my way. What the fuck? Ha! You are so screwed right now. See you never! Wow, how did we just let that happen? What the fuck? What the actual fuck? How did we let that happen? And Pikachu just came and took everything from us. This ain't good. This ain't good, guys. What the fuck am I supposed to do now? Hey, you're in the way of my shot. Of what shot? What are you taking a picture of? Can you tell me that right now? Huh? I'm a little bit in a bad mood right now, so you know, maybe you better get out of my way. Do you understand? Do you understand what I'm going through right now? Some dumb ass Pokemon came and stole my badges. And you think you deserve to talk to me like that? I don't think so. Okay, well, sorry, I did not know you had a game like that. I did not know you had a game like that. See, now every time I face like a ground dragon type, I'm gonna be like, man, it's so scary. Zorak. We'll give Penny some time to shine, you know? Like we have two like big boys, our two OG members. Wait, why didn't you just send your Zorak out first? So then you like tricked me. Oh, it's because it has Intimidate and not Illusion. I see. I'm gonna be honest, I forgot I had Rock Smash. I forgot I actually just taught this motherfucker Rock Smash. So you know, it's fine. We will be fine. We'll do a little bit more damage now. You think I put items on my Pokemon? Of course you have the super potion. Why wouldn't you have one? Oh, now you're dead. Now you're dead no matter what. Good job, Betty. I'm proud of you. I swear if I run in... Ambush! I saw you. I knew you were there and I was like, you know what? I'll fight you. Betty, I'll fight you. Ooh, Ivysaur. For now, we're gonna swap into Jackie. We're gonna Earthquake. And then if it's another grass type, oh my goodness. This is actually the worst place for a fire type to fight because it's raining. That should be super effective, by the way. Did you put my Pokemon to sleep? That's one round. How many rounds will Jackie be asleep? Find out today. That's 2 rounds. That is 3 rounds. You better wake up here. This is literally the 4th round. What? This Ivysaur is gonna take itself out before I fucking wake up. And it's Star Me? Man, I thought it was gonna be a Pokemon that we can get, what's her name? Water Pulse? Okay, Water Pulse actually hurts. Like, I don't know why Water Pulse hurts as much, but that was 43 points of damage. So we can take another hit. Of course it high rolls. Of course it high rolls. Of course I think I can take it, and then it high rolls because it's this place is too dangerous. It's too fucking dangerous. I forget rain, the rain boost. Oh my god, I made the stupidest mistake right there. Oh, 07. Oh, 07 right there. Oh god, thank god it's up ahead. Hey, Rainier. Oh no, who's this person? Blake, oh, fancy meeting you here, Rainier. Off to beat Leafade, I assume. Someone just reported that the foreman in Gemini's village was kidnapped, and I'm just about to find out what happened. Well, what happened to your badges? Really, a Pokemon stole them? Bad luck. I hope you managed to retrieve them. I have to run now. Stay safe, Rainier. I will. I'm gonna get them back. I made it here. We made it here. It's all that matters. But we have to go here. Yet another avoidable death. I thought that she could live it. I really thought she could. 07 Jacko. It was not your fault. It was my stupidity that allowed this to happen. Full of high level Pokemon, but it's dangerous to fish in deep water. Wait, what? You see around the Pokemon to follow high level, but okay. According to the number just across the bay, I hope I can go there one day. Have you validated? People think he's a pushover, but he isn't. I want to know what typing he is. Hardworking, what? Gardener. Okay, so he is a grass type. But I kind of want to get some Pokemon up to certain levels before. Touchdown! I'm hungry, but I am too short to open the fridge. Wait, do we even have a fridge? Oh, these guys need like mental help, I think. There are a few things that we can go do. Because Pokemon, that's called. Do you ever want to teach one of your Pokemon Scald? Sure. None of my Pokemon can learn Scald, sadly. I would, but none of my Pokemon can learn it. Do you see the Toronto League is just across the Stormy Strait, but most trainers go the long way around. The mainland through the Darkwood town. But we are part of at all because the fish only come out on sunny days. Here, take this too to bring out whenever you wish. This must be sunny day. Which honestly, not a horrible TM to get. And this must be Rain Dance. So we found fire or sun. I was about to say sun dance or fire dance, but it's sunny day and rainy day. Hang out for where challenges await. Paradise retainers were the 2 towers, each serve with challenges to even what it takes to beat them all. So those towers are probably like the battle towers, so we probably don't need to really worry about that. Pokemon adoption. Oh, welcome to our adoption clinic. Some people, for some reason or another, have no longer care for the Pokemon. We take them hoping to give them a new home. Feel free to adopt one if you hit it off. Very friendly, except the Grovyle is somewhere grumpy. Be careful around it. Hi, Mudkip. Hi there. They call me Mudkip. To be honest, I really like to be adopted by a sweet little girl. Maybe she'll put both of my fin to be the best. You just seem different than the other people. Yes, I can work with that. Will you adopt me? Sure, I'll take a Grovyle. Yeah. We'll name it, I don't know. Hero the Grovyle, you know, he looks like a hero. You know, I'll take it. I'll take it. And myself are best friends. I want to be adopted by someone who would take us both in. You know, like, it's level 25. Oh, that's an item. What item does it have on him? Careful nature. Detect magical leaf, dragon breath, and Giga Jane. That is insane. Is there mega? There's mega evolution in this, and it has a miracle suit. Okay. Cool. Well, looks like we found our replacement for our team. Really cool. Okay, well then I guess in the next I don't think I can take on the. No, I can. I guess in the next episode we will take on the gym. Just like that, we lost one just to gain one, and it's a pretty good Pokemon at that. So anyways, thank you all for watching for today's episode of Pokemon Glazed. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe if you guys want to stay up and updated on the series. And as always, This is Rainier, and I shall see you guys in the next one. Bye bye!